today I will be doing my very first Boohoo haul. So I have this big package right here that just came in the mail today, and I can't wait to show you all of the things that I got. So if you want to watch what I got, just stay tuned. Okay, so the very first thing I want to show you guys is this cute little boyfriend cardigan, and I got it in a khaki color, and I ordered it in a small, and this feels right off the bat like really good quality. I am so excited. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe right now, so I'm looking forward to the fall. And it does have this nice like embroidered texture to it, so it feels really good, like really nice quality. And I will insert a video somewhere around here or here letting you guys see exactly what it looks like on. But yeah, and I will also put the price and the links down below. But it is a nice long sleeve cardigan. It has these cute little cuffs on the end, and I really like it a lot. I think it's going to be nice and cozy. All right, and the next thing I have is another cardigan, and this is a balloon sleeve cardigan, and it's really long. So I'm just going to step back here so you can kind of see. It's supposed to be like an ankle length cardigan, and it does have these like wide balloon sleeves here, and it has nice little like cuffing around the wrist, and it looks and feels really nice. Like the quality feels really good. And again, I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe at all. It does have a pocket that you can put whatever you want in here. So and there's no buttons and no zipper. So that's what this is right here. And I'm just going to show you the texture real quick up close. You can see it. It's like a nice woven texture. The next thing I want to show you guys are these really adorable, cute little black mules. Aren't these like super cute? When I saw these, I had to get them because I know that they're very popular right now, and I see a lot of women wearing them, and I just think they're so cute. What I really like a lot about this shoe is the wide square toe at the front here, and then I like just this little quilted pattern on the top part of the foot. It reminds me of the Bottega Veneta sandals that are really popular but very expensive. So these are a nice little affordable dupe that you can get without having to break the bank. And I did order these in a size US 8, and yeah, they fit me very comfortable. And I'm going to insert a little video or a picture somewhere around here or here so you guys can see what it looks like on my feet. Alright guys, so I am so excited about this next piece. I have been looking all over for like a blazer suit combo set that's, you know, perfect for work or church or wherever you want to go out to eat or for brunch or whatever. And so when I saw this suit on Boohoo, I had to get it. I just had to get it. And luckily they actually had my size because it was sold out in a lot of other sizes. I did order it in a size 4. And this is going to be the belted double blazer suit. So I'm going to hold up the pants real quick so you can see what it looks like. They're very loose material. The belt or the waistband is just like this flat material here, and then it does have this like stretchy material in the back, so it does not have a zipper or anything like that or any type of buttons in the front. So it's very stretchy, which is good for us ladies. And it does have this belt. I think, where did I put it? Oh, it's right here. So this belt is the same color of the suit, and you just put it on. I think it's really cute. It's stretchy as well. And then here is the blazer. So this is what it looks like. And I mean, it's not very thick. So the pants aren't thick. The blazer's not thick. There are, let me see, I think, yeah, this is a pocket, I want to say. No, it's not a pocket. Oh, so that's not a real pocket. It's just a little flap that looks like a pocket. So you just have 2 little flaps on the side that looks like a pocket, but it's not one. And I did order this, like I said, in a US 4. So it's very, very loose. And I like it a lot. So I thought it was pretty affordable. I cannot wait to wear this. I have so many different ideas. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like on right here. So you guys can just see how I'm wearing it. But again, this was pretty affordable. What I like a lot about this suit is that it's very, very light. The pants are a bit see-through. I'm just gonna show you real quick. So they are a little bit see-through, but I don't know if you can tell or not, but they are a little bit see-through. The good thing though is that the blazer, it will cover any type of VPLs that may show up, so you'll be good to go on that. So I'm really, really excited about this next pair of pants that I have. These feel really good. These are the Tailored Trouser Blue, and the material right off the bat I can tell is totally different from the material on the coral suit. So this feels really good. I hope I can find the material information somewhere on the inside so I can tell you what it's made of, but this doesn't feel cheap. Well, it says 95% polyester. I don't know if you can see that. It says like 95% polyester, but I mean, it feels really good. It doesn't feel, it's not see-through. See? It's really thick. And then it has a zipper. Yeah, it has a zipper in the front and this cute little metal button that you can button up. And it does not have belt loops, but it does have the tapering effect at the bottom. But I mean, look at the material looks really good. And I'm gonna just say something real quick because I was watching another Boohoo haul, and one of the ladies was saying that she noticed that whenever she got a tag that has this black tag on it, the material is better. And I noticed like on the coral suit I have this tag, so it's not, can you see that? It's not the same tag. So I think the clothes with this black tag is better quality than the clothes with this cute little geometric pattern tag. So because these feel totally different. So I don't know what the material is. I can't even find the material. Yeah, I don't know, but these blue pants feel really, really nice, and I ordered them in a size 6. So I can't wait to try these on. They have this cute little like pleating right here, and it just feels really, really, really good, like soft. But they're not very stretchy, but they feel like really good material. So I can't wait to try those on. Okay, so the next thing I have is a top, and that's the only top that I ordered in my haul. And it's going to be this cute little bodysuit. And I ordered it in a US 4. The sleeves are really thin, like see-through material. And it does have this like cuff around the wrist. So that's what it looks like. And it does have a nice V neck pattern or cutoff hemline. And it does have the little snaps at the bottom. So yeah, this one, I can't wait to try it on either. It feels good. Again, this has that black Boohoo tag on it, and it does feel like it's a better quality. So that's what this looks like right here. And this is going to be really nice, a nice good staple I have in my closet. I can match it with a lot of different things. So yeah, okay. And then I now have these cute little, but these blush colored occasion tailored trousers. I'm just falling all over the words. But these are called the occasion tailored trousers. And they have a nice little stretch to it as well. They do taper down around an ankle. And these do have a zipper in the front. And it does have that little clasp thing that you use, a hook and eye clasp, so it does have that here. And there are no belts and no pockets. Oh, they left this thing on here. I hope I can cut this off. I don't know. It looks like the security thing, but Let's see. Yeah, but anyway, so this looks like it's going to be a nice quality as well. It has a nice little stretch to it, but now it has that pretty tag on here, the geometric tag, but it feels like the blue pants that I just reviewed. So I don't know, maybe these are just hit or miss with the tags, but it feels very soft. It feels like it's a silk blend. Like, I don't know. I hope I can find the material somewhere in here. No, it says 100% polyester, so it doesn't feel like polyester. I know that, but that's what these are. I'm gonna hold them back up again. Yeah, so I can't wait. I don't have a pair of pants like this in my wardrobe, and I think it's going to be a nice little staple to have in my wardrobe. All right, last but not least, these are the occasion tailored pants in the color blue in a US size 6 as well. So these are identical, like matches to the pink ones that I have on right now. And it does have a nice tapered ankle, and I really like these pants. I cannot express to you guys enough how good this material feels. Like, it feels really expensive, but I mean, it was really cheap. So it does have the zipper in the front with the clasp closure, no belt loops, no pockets, just a nice little, I think they're like little tapers in the front maybe, or it's just flat in the front. So, but yeah, so that's what I have for my haul. And if you made it this far in my video, thumbs up the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and leave a comment down below. I do want to talk to you guys real quick. I don't want you guys to leave just yet, but this is not a sponsored video, so everything you saw in this video I paid with my own money. And I want to talk about shipping with Boohoo real quick, because I want you guys to be prepared that if you order something and then they give you like a shipping date, it may not actually come on that date, because I had received a shipping date or a delivery date, and it came and went by, nothing showed up. I work from home, so I'm like, I never received my package, and it was supposed to be delivered through FedEx. So FedEx rescheduled my delivery date from a Friday to the next following Tuesday, and again, the FedEx truck never showed up to my house. So I'm like, where is my package? I'm trying to be patient, because this is actually my third order with Boohoo. So I reached out to Boohoo on Instagram and their DMs. I believe it was yesterday morning, which was Friday morning. And I was like, hey, you know, I haven't received my package. What's going on? Like, I haven't had a notice. I haven't had a tracking update in like 2 days. Where's my package? You know, what's going on? And then they're like, oh, don't worry about that. Your package will be here really soon. It just got delayed. So literally this morning, which is Saturday, I woke up this morning and I had like all these notifications on my phone, and they were saying that my package was on the delivery truck and it was going to be delivered today. So I did get my package today. I'm very happy about that, because I was starting to get a little bit worried, you know, because I had spent quite a bit of money. And yeah, so I just wanted to forewarn you guys that the shipping could be a little bit delayed, because I know that some other ladies experience the same thing that I experienced. So with all that being said, if you made it this far in the video, please thumbs up the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe, join the family, and I will see you guys in my